This first story is from Joe Hemphill's new book, Approaching 70 in the Bike Lane, which is available on Amazon.com. As it said, having cerebral palsy since he was born, Joe is now 70 years old and still riding around town in a power wheelchair using the bike lanes. Approaching 70 in the bike lane. My first typewriter came from the day school when I was about 9 years old. One day, a woman occupational therapist who worked at the day school looked over at the counter and noticed somebody had donated an electric typewriter. She looked at me and back at the typewriter and asked me, "Do you want to try something new?" I was always up for something new. She brought the typewriter over and put it on my desk and tried to put a brace on my hand where only one finger stuck out. I tried this for a while, but it didn't work very well. She finally gave up on the brace and took it off. I looked around and saw a yellow pencil with an eraser on the end. I picked that up and then tried hitting the typewriter keys with it. It actually worked quite well. The lady decided to let me work on the typewriter for 3 days before she let me take it into the classroom. I put my fist in the middle of the keyboard and then divided the keyboard into fourths in my mind. That way, I learned the keyboard. This is how I taught myself to type and became quite proficient with the typewriter. Later, when I was much older, I advanced to the computer by using the same method. Now, I have written numerous short stories, poems, articles, essays, and 2 books this way.